Alright, well, it's been a while. I was gonna do that cracker review, but for some reason I lost my crackers. I just fucking lost my crackers. So now I can't do the cracker thing. Sorry, my phone died. I had to go charge it, and now I'm back out here. So yeah, I can't do the cracker thing, but the least I can do is update you on the videos that I haven't been doing because I haven't been uploading them. Uh, I promise you guys an upload every day, and well, I haven't been exactly delivering on that, mainly because I've been busy, tired, sleeping, jacking myself off into a comatose state while still sitting on the shitter without even flushing when I get up. That's just how I roll. I tuck my fucking head between my knees and I push all my weight into forward momentum, because that's the way I roll. But hopefully I can work up the vigor to actually go ahead and start uploading shit again. I can get back to a regular upload schedule, but I don't see that happening too soon. So as far as daily uploads go, I'm going to have to cut that out because I'm not going to be able to keep up with that shit. Otherwise, I'm going to be wiped out. I'm just going to be really wiped out. So, again, sorry for the inconvenience, but I will definitely be doing another challenge video very soon. The moment that I can think of one, I will do it. So, there you go. You have my promise for that. And if you could click the big red subscribe.